24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publisher.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear teacher. I welcome you on behalf of the Snowman publishers. In this video, we will cover the topic of technology in everyday life from chapter 10 of Science Grade 5. The video will cover safety procedures, model making, and using technical devices. So let's get started with the teaching plan. Greet the students with a smile and ask them how they are. Then start introducing the lesson with a quick recap of what the students already know. Remember to always start building a new lesson on the previous knowledge of the students. Hence, you may ask them, what are the things they keep in mind while working on an activity? Have they prepared models? Keep connecting their answers with new questions so that a foundation to the lesson is developed. And keep writing the responses on the board. With the help of the textbook, explain to the students what measures they should keep in mind while working on an activity. You may also enlist the points on the board. Ask the students if there is any other point they would like to add. Also tell them about the safety procedures they should follow while working in a laboratory. Ask the students to collect and bring all the things they'll need to prepare the models a day or two prior to the model making activity. The activities can also be conducted in groups. Ask the students to prepare models of a footbridge, musical instrument, movable trolley, and LED light string by taking help from the textbook. Steps with detailed instructions are given in the textbook. Arrange spirit level and plumb line and show them to the students. Then, with the help of the textbook, explain to the students what spirit level and plumb line are and how they are used. With the help of the students, quickly recap the lesson. Try to make the student participation more. For homework, you can ask the students to prepare a model of a bookshelf. Thank you, Honorable Teacher, for your listening. Allah Hafiz.